Hello everyone, welcome back to another Stay Healthy and Wasteless class. My name is Christine and I'm an intern at Leah's Pantry. Before I begin with today's demonstration, I have a special announcement to make. Thanks to our partners at Fresh Approach and at San Mateo's Office of Sustainability, we will be giving away $6 Farmer Markets vouchers to the first 20 people who view each new video and who also complete a brief survey. The link will be provided at the end of this video and will also be in the description box below. So for today's demonstration, we will be making Ginisang Sitaw, or sauteed green beans with ground pork. This is a Filipino dish, and you can find this dish and more on eatfresh.org. This recipe calls for minced garlic, diced onions, diced red bell peppers, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, green beans that have been trimmed and chopped into 3 pieces, low sodium soy sauce, and ground pork or some other kind of meat substitution, like ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey, shrimp, and even tofu. Or you can opt to have no meat at all. My father has a heart condition and my mother is not that big a fan of pork, so I'll be using ground chicken for this demonstration. I've seen other recipes call for fish sauce, tomatoes, or eggplants, so feel free to experiment with whatever is in your fridge. Me and my mom also like adding pepper flakes to give it a little kick. I want to share tips for storing meat and vegetables before cooking this or any other recipe. First, separate your raw meats and poultry from fresh produce in the fridge to prevent cross-contamination. Secondly, keep raw meats and poultry on the bottom shelf of your fridge. Thirdly, it is best to use ground meats and chicken within the first 2 days of purchase. You can also freeze ground meats and chicken too, and it's best to use within 3 to 4 months. If you freeze meat and poultry in its original package for more than 2 months, overwrap these packages with airtight, heavy-duty foil, plastic wrap, or freezer paper, or place the package inside a plastic bag. Lastly, store your produce away in the crisper drawers or upper shelves if you do not have crisper drawers. Allison goes into storage into more detail, so as a plug-in, check out virtual classes 16, 17, and 18 if you have not done so already. Now, let's get to cooking. So first I'm gonna pour in our olive oil, get it in there, and then wait for that to warm up. And now I'm gonna put in the onions, till they're soft, and our garlic. I'm gonna put in our meat. So now I will be pouring in our soy sauce, our bell peppers, and our green beans. And we'll be cooking the entire dish in medium heat. So it's up to you if you want to add more spice or add more pepper, salt to the dish as well. For us, we added more pepper, salt, a little bit of chili pepper to give it that spice. And I think my mom also added some calamansi too. So it's really up to you what you want to add. And right now this dish smells phenomenal. So for the final taste test with me, I have my mom here to give me her opinion.
Okay, let's see. What do you call for this dish?
Ginisang Sitaw?
Ginisang Sitaw. In Filipino, they called it Filipino. Yeah, they called it Ginisang Sitaw, or in English, sauteed beans. Wow, it's really good. The beans is so crunchy, so tasty. It's very, very delicious. And of course, it's highly recommended for family. Good job, Christine. You did it so well. Have a great day and thanks for watching.
Salamat po.
Till next time again. See ya.